Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see from the title, I already started with most of my hair. I just have this much left. For this twist out, I'm only going to be using one product. That is it. I will be using the African Pride Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Defined Curling Cream, which is this baby right here. This will actually be the only product that I'm going to be using today. So I have this section of hair right here. I'm going to take this much. I'm going to start from the tips and then I'm going to work my way up. And then once I put the product in, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to detangle. Make sure there's no tangles in your hair. So now, for the twist, split the hair into two sections. It doesn't have to be even, but try to make it as even as possible. But again, it really doesn't have to be. So you split it into two sections, right? And then you just overlap those sections together. That's it. At the roots, I try to make it a little bit tighter so that it's not like puffy when I untwist my hair, but that's not like a necessity. So you just keep going, just overlapping. And I always say, don't borrow strands. That really just means like, don't take a piece of hair from over here and bring it over here. No. We don't want to do that. So you just keep going straight down. And then we get to about right here and I have this much hair left. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to twirl it around my fingers. And that's it. All you got to do. Split up the section into two, and then you just overlap. I don't twirl any way. I literally just cross the hair over each other. That is all I'm doing. You just keep going all the way down until you get almost to the you just keep going all the way down, and then I have this much. And I take this and then I twirl it around my fingers. And that is it. It's time for the takedown and I'm going to be using my herbal oil. Ha! Guys, this is looking so nice. Oh, God. Let me try one in the front so you guys can see better. Oh, man. Do y'all see this? The fact that I only used one product, like you really do not have to have a whole bunch of things in your hair to get a good twist out or braid out or whatever it may be. Like sometimes you just need one thing. Yeah. I know y'all see this definition right here. Oh, Jesus. So I take this one section and I'm just going to pull at it until pieces of the hair like separate from it. And then that's basically it. So like as you're pulling, like some pieces are going to naturally like break away from that section. So that's how you separate where the curl naturally separates, basically. Like you don't always see where the curl naturally separates. And when that's the case, like it really doesn't matter. This is just to minimize frizz. Like that's not saying like, oh, if you don't do that, then you're not gonna have like a definition. It's just if you don't want a lot of frizz, then you separate where the curl naturally separates. But if you don't have time for that, then just split it however you can. I'm going to take my pick and I'm just going to pick my hair. So I pick from my roots and I lift it up. I go in the roots and I lift it up. and you could literally see only the roots are lifted up, like not the actual hair, but just the roots. Like for me, I feel like the pick can only do so much, so I always go back and I fluff it with my fingers. And you guys, this is basically it. Let me turn to the side so you guys can see. So you guys, that is basically it. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.